friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Isha and you're watching The Craft Therapy. So today I'm going to show you how we decorated our living room wall. So let's get started. So the first step was selecting a design. So we selected a design, we created it in a Photoshop and then went to a local CNC shop to get it cut. So we got 4 panels and a shelf from the CNC machine. Initial plan was to make a backlit wall panel using these 4 panels and place a shelf below, but when we got the panels we realized that somehow the dimensions were wrong and it was not looking nice. It was too big for the wall. So time for improvisation. To complete the look, we decided to paint the wall. So the initial paint which we bought, we painted it but we did not like the color. So we painted another coat of white primer on top of it and then again painted with the color we liked. Hope you liked the video. Please let me know in the comment box if you have any questions, and please consider subscribing if you like the content. Until next time, see you. Bye bye.